Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making scallion pancake egg sandwich. Let's get right to it. To start, prepare eggs, scallion pancakes, Chinese sausage, and cucumber. Peel cucumber and keep the peels for later use. Mince Chinese sausage and cucumber peels. Beat 2 eggs and add minced cucumber peels. On a heated griddle, cook minced Chinese sausage until color changes. Then add them to the egg liquid. Place 1 scallion pancake on the griddle. Cook for 1 minute until the pancake starts to cook. Next, top with the egg mixture and spread across the top in a thin layer. Now you can fold in 2 edges and cook the top with the upper pan. Serve immediately and scallion pancake egg sandwich is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.